Hey guys, it's Big Bad Beaver back again with another Big Bad video. Today we're going to be discussing the new roles icon feature that's in the process of rolling out. I'll show you how to gain access and how to set it up. Before we get started, just want to remind you that if you find this video useful, I'd appreciate if you could leave a like rating and subscribe, as it helps me out immensely. And if you care, the gameplay I'm showing in the background of this video is actually taken from one of my Twitch streams, so if you want to check that out, the link will also be in the description. To begin, role icons are still an experimental feature. Right now, as of September 15th, 2021, only about 5% of servers on Discord have access to this feature. Now, if you're watching this in a few weeks from now, chances are this feature is rolled out to a much greater amount of servers, or even all of them, but something to keep in mind if you're not. To know if your server is in the lucky 5%, you'll notice a pop-up on desktop clients showcasing the new role icon feature. If you don't see it, you likely don't have access right now. Now, if you do see the pop-up, congrats! You are eligible to enable role icons. I say eligible because in order to add custom role icons, you will need to have your server additionally boosted to level 2. Now, I'm going to be making a video in the future very soon about Discord boosting and some important changes coming, so if you want to stay up to date on that, I'd recommend subscribing. But for this video, we're not going to go into too much detail. All you need to know is that in order to activate custom role icons, you'll need to have your server boosted to level 2. Now, if your server is boosted to level 2, you'll see in your role settings a new role icon section. This is where you can add a role icon. Now, role icons must be under 256 kilobytes, and Discord recommends that the icon be at least 64 by 64 in resolution. If you want to add an icon, simply click on Choose Image and find an icon you like. You can create your own with programs like GIMP and Photoshop, or find icons online. If you choose to find icons online, be sure to verify that the licenses say you're allowed to legally use it. Role icons can be removed as well, or replaced at any time. Now, currently, I'm actually not sure what happens if you drop under a level 2 boost with role icons enabled. There's not much documentation currently available for role icons, so if anyone has access and knows this information, please be sure to leave a comment in the comment section below. That's all for this video. Just a short one to show you what's new in Discord, but I appreciate all the support you guys are giving me on this channel. Again, if this video was valuable to you, a subscription or a like really helps me out greatly. I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.